Hello friends, good afternoon. Today when I went to a particular hospital, a person came and inquired about flu vaccine. So this video I want to give few information about flu vaccine. His wife has been having flu attacks every year for 1 month. She suffers whatever medicines she takes. As a part of my profession, I went to meet the doctor, so I cannot give any supplement suggestions. So we cannot help them. Those who know about the vestige business, you should take the benefit of our supplements. Want to share that knowledge. So one more thing is flu vaccine is in shortage because in December, from December, many people who are going out of India and students, college are asking for flu vaccination certificate. So currently flu vaccine is in shortage, and the cost of flu vaccine ranges from 800 to 1800. Indian companies you can get at 800, and if you want for German and US manufactured flu vaccines, you need to pay up to 1800. But as the doctor told, there is no quality difference. All are good only. Don't no need to think that higher cost is better quality. Though you may be told by the pharmacists or the hospital people, don't go for that. So this is information which is given by an MD, very good doctor, and not greedy. That's why I'm able to say clearly. You can save the money. People have paid 300 to 500 rupees for this suggestion alone. And regarding our vestige supplements, any when your immunity is weak, you get different problems. So we have many immunity boosters in our vestige family. You can use amla, aloe vera, neem, noni, respocare, colostrum, and you can before this generally we don't take care of our body. There is no cleansing process. Previous olden days people used to have that cleansing process, but now we are not going through that process. There's so many problems are there because of accumulation of toxins and pollutants in our body. So for any treatment, for any supplement, if you go for the cleansing process of your body, results will be beneficial. We have like foot patches which has around 40 herbs. The patches will be white in color when you place them on your feet. When you go to bed, next day they will become black and very smelly because they remove all the toxins from your blood. You can use up to 2 to 3 patches yearly. One or two also is enough. So that is one good useful product. I just came out of a hospital, so that's why some disturbance. And you can go for tox clean is there. If you have been in a long term on particular some medicines, you can use tox clean, and you can use noni. These all help you to clean the process. Even neem and aloe vera also help you to clean your body. Amla, all those things. And it is good thing to clean your intestine system also, or else you will have several problems like constipation, gas problem, irritation, indigestion, so many issues, motion problem, so many things will be there, bowel issues, irritable bowel syndrome. So that you can go for probiotics, combiotics. We have excellent products. And fiber, you can use fiber, constipation issues, a lot of good quality only. And We have range of wide range. You can use cooking oil also, or rice bran oil is very good. Along with other supplements, you can get good results. So many I have seen many results when you come out, when you are using rice bran oil also. And give time at least 3 to 6 months for any product. And you may be, based on your body, you may be having some issues initially. So take once or twice, or like alternate days, like that. Some ladies may have white discharge, body heat issues because of the supplements. It's a part of cleansing process. And different, like, don't go for like a pregnant woman or any complications. Please don't suggest. We are not doctors. We are only, we can heal. Already people who are healthy are like recovering or weak, we can suggest them. If there are any severe issues, we need to consult doctor only. If any complications, for normal people we can use. By using these supplements, we can protect our health. 99% of the problems we can prevent. No need to go to doctor. And we also have cosmetics, wonderful cosmetics. They are not tested on animals, paraben free, okay, no harsh chemicals, international quality. So agriculture products are there for cosmetics, and regular uses daily products are there. Soap, paste, cooking oil, bathroom cleaner, floor cleaner, everything. So you can use the, and you can, through best deals, you can get rice, wheat, flour, everything, sugar, everything. So there are wide range of products. In Westfield best deals there are around 5,000 products, electronics and everything, clothing, everything. I request all of you to, if you find this information useful, please subscribe and share my video in your WhatsApp group and Facebook groups. And and invite you to join me in my group to become a part of Vestige team. You can generate 9 types of incomes. Generate passive income. You can protect your health. You can be gorgeous and beautiful. I see many people. I visit many clinics also. There people, cosmetics, people are spending thousands and thousands for hair, uh, skin, and beauty products, anti-aging. We have wonderful products, high quality at a very fraction of cost. I get surprised while seeing people spending so much of money, not of so great quality. So get the benefit of them. And we can generate good amount of money, like we can. And we can go foreign trips, travel fund. We have travel fund, car fund, house fund, allied club fund. So many various income measure types are there. Without any investment, you can build a big business here. For any franchise, you need to invest lakhs of rupees here. Without any investing money, you can build a business. You can contact me, my number in the description. Once you join me, you will get an ID, independent distributor ID number. So based on that, your business volumes are calculated, and you will get multiple benefits, multiple discounts. You will be eligible for multiple discounts. And you can build your team. You can refer others. You're getting money for referring others also. You're getting money just for using also. It's a great business, great products. If you say like biryani is very good, and refer to your friend or relative, that person, the hotel is not going to give any money for you, right? But here, just for referring, and they buying for their need, you're also getting referral money. So there are like multiple benefits in the Vestige business. So that's it for today. Have a nice day. Wish you health and wealth.